What's up, guys? Today we're back again for.
What up, pacers? Today we're doing a tier list video. Let's fucking get it.
All right, guys. Today we're doing another tier list video. This time we're doing regular show characters that we'd let hit. Nothing else to say.
Bruh. Oh, get it.
Let's get into it.
Oh, Kenny.
Let's get into it, guys. All right, I got my list.
There it is. I think I went first last time.
Let's
see,
get in.
we have-
Wait. Let's get into it. I gotta open. All right, take a look at mine.
Alright, for your, let's see. I wouldn't say rankings. Is it rankings? Or like categories? You have Bone Zone? Yes. Sneaky Link. Nut and Bolt. Maybe. Nope. What the fuck? No. Okay. So starting with, what the fuck? No. Do we have a sad lonely man?
Let's skip the what the fuck. These are all just babies and the Pops family.
Yeah, there's a baby ducks there. I admire that for skipping it. We have Nope. You wouldn't be with Rigby or Muscle Man?
Where's
Or
Rigby?
High Five Ghost?
Oh,
Rigby's a Nope.
God no. God no.
Oh. Fucking suck.
I mean, it's a ghost, so like anything you're putting in there is not, it's not like no grip.
Oh. Okay, so moving on. We have a Mordecai with a beard. I don't know what all the other ones are, so I'm just like passing it. But Mordecai with a beard? Why not him?
Mordecai with a beard. Well, he's decrepit and he looks old. Isn't he old in that episode?
Oh, you don't like people who are,
No, I don't like old, sad losers.
Nice. You don't like Prince Philip?
Bruh.
There's maybe. You don't like Benson?
Benson? Benson's a maybe, because he's kind of
Alright,
a.
Benson, maybe? Yeah.
Benson's kind
Alright,
of a
fine.
twink, So I'm thinking he's like kind of
Twink.
maybe,
The gumball machine's a twink. Alright.
Yeah, he's
So-
lanky and.
All the rest of them, I don't really know.
The Death Kwon Do guy?
Oh yeah, Death Kwon
That guy knows Death Kwon Do. He got murdered by Rigby, I think.
So maybe? Why is that a maybe?
It's a maybe because, he's impressive, but at the same time he's very overweight, and I'm shallow. I'm a very shallow person.
Damn. You suck. It's a Nut and Bolt. You Nut and Bolt and Rigby.
I didn't put Rigby there.
No, Mordecai. Sorry.
Yeah, Mordecai's kind of looks boring.
Oh shit. Well. Oh shoot. What's her name? The red bird. It starts with an M. I know that.
Margaret.
Oh yeah, Margaret. Nut and Bolt and.
Yeah, Margaret got that beak.
Mordecai Nut and Bolt and Margaret Nut and Bolt and you.
Yeah, frankly, they both got beaks, and it's just like it doesn't sound that adequate.
Oh, okay.
Then we get the dancers,
Yeah.
the famous. I don't remember what they're called, but I know that they thrust. They look like they got the moves.
We have Sneaky Link. That's the band, right?
Oh yeah, those are like robots, and I think we know if they're up to today's technology in terms of robots. I think they'll be. I think they'll be. I think they'll be.
Okay.
I think they'll
Okay. We got Potato. Whatever the hell that is.
Say
There's
Sneaky Link.
Pops. Sneaky Link with Pops.
Pops is not there.
Yeah, he is.
It's not. That's Skips.
Oh, Skip. Sorry.
You don't even know
Okay.
your character. What are we doing this
Oh,
for?
it's been a long time.
What are we doing this for? You don't even know who Skips is?
The rest of I don't know who she is. Basically, female muscle man.
That's Muscle Man's
Like,
GF.
female muscle man.
His baby.
Yeah. His baby.
His babe plus wifey.
For yes, we have a bean. The fuck is that?
That's the coffee bean. He squirts coffee out of his nipples.
Oh,
That's like doesn't.
delicious. We have the Storm Girl.
Mm.
And then Rigby's early.
Rigby's hey, Eileen kind
Rigby.
of bad.
Yo, get it, Eileen. We got Hawk.
We got hot Rigby. Rigby's older, hotter brother.
Bone Zone. There's just a
You
torso.
just skipped like 6 people.
I don't know them.
We got. You
Oh,
don't
the
know.
fucking Mother Swan.
Why did you want to do
Mother
regular
Duck?
show? You don't even know it.
Mother Duck.
Well, yeah, Mother Duck. She's kind of a milf. And there's that virus-looking thing. That virus can go anywhere it wants, you know.
Oh my god. That Mother Duck from MILF.
What? Is something wrong?
Alright, Bone Zone. The torso.
That's Cloudy J.
Nipple clamp Rigby.
Nipple clamp Rigby.
Scared Bobby Ferguson. Then we have feet.
No explanation needed.
Feet? Okay.
No explanation needed. Move on.
It's a vampire punching.
Have you seen his hand? Seen the size of his hand?
Yeah. Then there's a fencing.
No, moving on. Let's go to your list.
What the fuck, bitch?
Alright.
Okay, reading my categories.
Okay, on the bottom we have die. On the next we have my pisser is crusted. Then we have hot, and I'd piss my pisser off for them.
Yeah.
This is a good list. Alright, let's see. Die. Alright, yeah, we got like the. I'm not really agreeing with some of these. You know, I think
Fuck
we
you.
we differ a lot. I mean, oh, Garrett Bobby Ferguson's in Die. I mean, come on, like you couldn't go any more
He's a
wrong.
floating head.
He's a floating. That's what I'm saying. The floating head.
Okay.
He gives floating head.
Okay, fine.
In my pisser is crusted, we got Thomas Wamus, Moon Man, Star Man, Geese. You put Geese in a. You put Geese. I guess I did too. No, I put Geese in Nope. You put it in. I don't even know what this one means. You
It
put
means my
put
pisser
Pops.
is
You-
crusted.
you put Super Saiyan Pops at my pisser is crusted. I don't know what that's supposed to mean. For we have every Rigby, like every single one.
Yeah, just Rigby. It's just Rigby.
This is the Rigby
If
tier.
there's Rigby in it, it's just Rigby.
All right, well, enough said. Really hot. We have Potato Man, Flying Lips. We have. I'll skip that one. We got every skips. You get the giant baby on hot. I mean, come on. What does that really say about you?
Do I? Where is it?
The
Oh
gi-
yeah, it is that, huh? I couldn't really see it.
Oh, I know who I'm gonna call after this. The fucking police. I'd piss my pisser off for them. We have a bunch of baby ducks.
Yep. Yep.
How did I not see that you had a bunch of
Yep.
baby ducks at the top?
Yeah.
Are you kidding me? I'm so ashamed of you. You got Mordecai and you got all the pretty much all the main characters besides Rigby and Skips and top tier, and then a bunch of baby ducks.
Yes.
I don't understand this. I don't know what you're going for here.
Yeah.
Are you trying to piss me off? Are you trying to piss me off or something?
No, I just pissed, and I looked down, and I realized my pisser is gone.
It's
I
gone?
have pisser cancer.
Really? Wait, hold on. Well, I'll cut the camera. I'll
Yeah.
cut the camera. Are you serious?
Yeah. I really did piss my pisser off. Oh.
Get it. Get it.
I really did.
Get it. Bruh. Bruh. Get it. Bruh.
What the fuck, bitch?
Bruh. Bruh.
Are you gonna stop?
Bruh.
My pisser is gone.
Bruh.
My pisser is gone. Well, this was this episode of Tier List, even if it is not an episode. Hope you enjoyed it, everyone.
We'll see you next
Go find
time
Home Depot.
on the next episode of Tier List Review with Oblivious and Hamster Beater. Signing out.
Beaten. Hamster beaten.
How are those dopamine receptors, cum brain?